What's up? Today I'll be teaching a combo, and since only a few combos actually have names, like Behind the 8 Ball and Helix, I'll just refer to the ones that don't have names as numbered combos. So this will be combo number 1, and the next one I make will be combo number 2, and so forth. So this is what the move looks like. I'd say it's an intermediate move. This combo consists of a reverse thumb rollover or half orbit into a reverse vertical middle finger Chaplin, into a index rollover, and then into a helix. So it'd be easier if you know some of those. I have all of those tutorials on my Instagram, and I have some on my YouTube. But now I'll show you exactly how it's done. So first off, you go into the reverse thumb rollover, swing it back, hit your thumb, on your nail pretty much. You want to let go with all these fingers and go around, and then you want to catch it with your middle finger and your thumb, and you're going to go into the reverse vertical middle finger Chaplin, one of those, and then from there you catch it when you've done one Chaplin with your index finger, and then you're gonna swing the opposite direction of which way you were just going, and then you're gonna swing it till it gets there to there, and then let go with your middle finger, and then it's gonna fly around your index, and you're gonna grab it with your thumb and index, swing it around like this. It's coming around, just go, turn the handle in your hand, and then from here, you're going to do a Y2K, you're going to go into the helix. I hope y'all enjoyed the video and it helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming uploads. And also, if you have any video suggestions, like such as tutorials you want me to do, let me know in the comments, or if you have any questions about it. I'll see y'all in the next one.